Welcome to our discussion on action research, a research approach that doesn't just observe, but actively intervenes in a situation to bring about change. So, what is action research? In essence, it's a method of research that involves actively participating in a situation in order to solve a problem and learn more about it. It's characterized by three main traits. First, it's participatory. It involves those affected by the situation in the research process. Second, it's reflective. It encourages continuous learning and adaptation through cycles of action and reflection. And third, it's problem-solving. It aims to bring about real, meaningful change in a situation. Its two main goals are to improve the situation under study and to enhance our understanding of that situation. It's a research approach that is deeply pragmatic, addressing real-world issues while also contributing to theoretical knowledge. Think of action research as the bridge between theory and practice, where you're not just studying the situation, you're actively trying to improve it. Now that we have a grasp on what action research is, let's explore how businesses can use it in their operations. To illustrate, imagine a company that's struggling with low employee productivity. The first step in the action research process would be to clearly identify this problem. The company might do this by gathering anecdotal evidence, examining performance metrics, or conducting interviews with staff. Next, the company would collect data to further understand the problem. This could involve surveys to gauge employee satisfaction, detailed interviews to understand individual experiences, or even time studies to see where employees are spending their time. The aim here is to gather as much information as possible to get a clear, holistic picture of the issue. Once the data is collected, the company would then analyze it, looking for patterns, trends, and insights. Perhaps they find that employees are most productive in the morning, or that productivity drops after long meetings. These insights would then guide the development of potential solutions. In our example, the company might decide to implement new work schedules that capitalize on employee peak productivity times, or introduce productivity tools to help streamline tasks. This is the action part of action research, implementing a solution. But the process doesn't stop there. The company would then evaluate the effectiveness of the solution. Did productivity increase? Did employee satisfaction improve? This evaluation phase is crucial, as it provides feedback on the solution's success and informs the next steps. If the solution was effective, great. If not, the company would refine the solution based on the evaluation results and repeat the process. This cyclical nature of action research allows businesses to continuously improve, adapt, and innovate based on evidence, not just assumptions. In this way, action research helps businesses to continuously improve their operations based on evidence and feedback, rather than guesswork. As we've seen, action research is an extremely valuable tool for businesses. Let's summarize the key points. Action research is a participatory, reflective, and problem-solving approach to research. It's like a mirror that businesses hold up to themselves, reflecting their operations and highlighting areas for improvement. But it's not just about identifying issues. It's a dynamic process that encourages active involvement from all stakeholders. Imagine the workplace as a stage where everyone from managers to frontline employees has a role to play. They're not just actors following a script, but they're scriptwriters too, contributing to the narrative of improvement. This inclusive approach allows for comprehensive insights, leading to more effective and sustainable solutions. Now let's revisit our example. You'll recall how a company was grappling with low employee productivity. They didn't just rely on external consultants or top-down directives. Instead, they engaged in action research, involving their employees in the process, identifying the bottlenecks, and brainstorming solutions. Remember the brainstorming sessions, the implementation of new strategies, and the continuous feedback loops? That's action research in action. The company didn't just implement a one-off solution. They set up a system of continuous improvement, regularly checking in, assessing the results, and tweaking their approach as necessary. This is the heart of action research, the cyclical process of diagnosing, planning, implementing, and evaluating. It's not a straight line to success, but a spiral, constantly moving forward, yet always circling back to reassess and refine. It's about learning by doing and doing while learning. It's important to note that action research is not a quick fix. It requires time, patience, and a commitment to change. But the results? They're worth it. Improved productivity, enhanced employee engagement, and a stronger, more resilient organization. Remember, action research is not about studying from the sidelines. It's about getting into the game and making a difference. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you now have a better understanding of this powerful research approach.